Toyota Corolla. This sound, we check it by hose. The sound's coming from the water pump. We bring new one, we're gonna change it. That's making noise. Today we will show you how to change it. See the sound? First you have to remove the one of the battery line, and then you have to remove this 10mm and this plug from here, and then remove this. This is also 12mm, this one and this, and then you're gonna remove the belt from here. Here's the belt, we put it down here, and then you're going to remove this 14mm bulb to remove the alternator completely, and then you have to work on the water pump. Here's the old one. It takes 5 12mm bulb. And here's the belts going from here to the big pulley down there, and then tight this until and this is after finished. There's no sound. Make sure to put water and make this full, and you're good to go. And then after 1 day, check this one, make sure it's full. If the water is low, it's gonna take it from here. Now we put it on the full, it will take inside.